Now here inside objectives, we're going to go to conversion and hit lead generation. This helps you collect leads for your business. This enables either an instant form in-app or a redirect to your website's lead form. In the campaign setup, you can once again either choose a manual campaign or a Smart Plus campaign. Another category is the option of using a catalog, which is especially helpful when you have a list of products that you want to advertise. Next, move down to the settings option, where you can change your campaign name. Let's go to Lead Generation 1 and hit Continue. Once you're here, you can begin by changing your ad group name. Let's do this, Ad 2. And then you have the optimization. Here you can select the location of where your leads are going to be directed towards, whether that's going to be your website or an instant form, TikTok DMs, instant messaging apps such as WhatsApp, Messenger, and other messaging apps, or even phone calls. The goal for all of these is going to be form submission, but you have an option of the funnel optimization at the very end. This can allow for an improved lead quality and can also help control CPL. You can go to this Learn More button throughout this process to figure out whenever you want more clarity over these features. Then you have your placements and the creative type. Over here, you can again choose who is allowed to comment with the video downloading, ensuring it's on or off, the creative type, the targeting that you want to select. You have your budget and schedule. We have the day parting here, whether we want the ad to be running throughout the day or only during certain hours. Lastly, we have the bidding feature as well. But the main difference in a lead generation campaign is going to be in our optimization, where we choose where our leads are going to end up. Normally, websites or instant forms are a common method. However, DMs, instant messaging apps, and phone calls might also be viable depending on your business model. Now, an example of this could be an auto dealer who launches a campaign with instant form to schedule test drives. Now, CPL around $20, and if you have maybe 2.4 million plus impressions, that gives you thousands of showroom leads. Similarly, this can also be used for an education program who might use a website form to capture student applications, optimizing for registration with broad targeting and cost gap for efficiency. This is all for lead generation campaigns. See you in the next lesson.